Are you searching for the best alarm system? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best alarm system in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1, Staniot 7-inch home alarm system. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. New home alarm security system. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. Darho door window entry security ABS wireless remote control burglar alarm. 100% brand new, 100% real photo, picture without any modification, picture ruler in centimeters, our secret package.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. Staniot home security alarm system. Various installation methods. 105 dB built-in siren, longer battery life, 4.3-inch IPS touchscreen, OTA online upgrade, app remote control, Alexa Google Assistant voice control, 200 accessories supported, built-in 10 languages, built-in 105 decibel siren buzzer. The sound is loud and penetrating, letting you know the abnormal situation in your home at the first time. Anti-fingerprint design, long-term use without leaving fingerprints. Ensuring the screen is clear. At the same time, there is a cleaning mode in the system. After selecting it, the screen will be off for 1 minute, which is convenient for cleaning. 4.3-inch screen, small and exquisite, does not take up space. IPS screen has better color display and wider viewing angle, as well as a better touch experience. Full-featured home security system, with entry sensor, motion sensor, and other accessories to form a complete home security system. Guard every corner of the home. If the sensor detects an abnormal situation, the panel will send an alarm immediately. Number 5. PGST 1034G Home Wi-Fi Intelligent Alarm System. Goton PG 1034G Wi-Fi Alarm System. Tuya 433 MHz Wireless Anti-Theft Home Safety Alarm Intelligent Life Control Application. Works with Alexa. 433 MHz GSM Wi-Fi alarm. The alarm system uses 433 MHz GSM Wi-Fi technology to ensure stable and reliable connections. Application control. The alarm system can be controlled through the Tuya Smart House application, making it easy and convenient to access system functions. Home anti-theft security. The alarm system is designed to provide security for home thieves, alerting you in the event of any unauthorized entry or movement. Wireless. The alarm system is wireless and can be easily installed and used without any complex wiring or configuration. Product features. The alarm is PG 1034G version, which is a critical alarm used in conjunction with Wi-Fi and SIM cards. Wi-Fi provides network functionality, while SIM cards offer call and text messaging capabilities. The alert supports 10 languages: Chinese, English, German, Russian, Spanish, Polish, Italian, French, Portuguese, and Greek.